Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. This is Rare. I'm going to do a sort of unboxing, but definitely a try on. So if you want to see me try on a few things, by all means, stick around. Okay guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm doing a try on. Definitely going to do a try on today, and that's something rare for me. But a company reached out to me by the name of threadtank, and I want to try on a few t-shirts that they sent to me. Let me tell you a little bit about threadtank. threadtank apparel is designed and handcrafted in Los Angeles, California. Our tops are super comfy, soft, and best of all, it tells your story. One of the things they say about, this company says about their tops is stories you can wear. When they reached out to me, they said, Karen, we'd like to gift you with 3 t-shirts. Pick any 3 t-shirts that you like. And what was interesting about their t-shirts is that they all had these fantastic sayings on them. This is one of the t-shirts that I picked out, and I'll show you the other 2, and then I'll do a try on. I'll show you what this actually looks like. But I was so excited about picking out these t-shirts. I just went through, and they had all these sayings about women and what have you, and like almost like affirmations. And I thought that was so interesting. As I said, the stories that you can wear. So I picked out 3. It took about 2 weeks for them to get to me, and I opened them up, and immediately I knew that I was going to like these t-shirts. So let me just show you a little bit more about what the t-shirts look like and how I'm wearing them. I'll be looking at notes, but I want to tell you about shirt number 1. Is called Simply Heart, and it's red, 50% cotton and 50% polyester. The second shirt is called Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. And it's in vintage white. It's 100% cotton.
Sound right, boys.
The third shirt, which I'm wearing, is Then God Made a Woman. I love it. 52% cotton and 48% polyester, and it's a little stretchy. So I want to thank threadtank for reaching out to me. These t-shirts are the bomb. They are the bomb. And if you're new here at Life on Greenwood, by all means, hit the subscribe button. I'm usually talking about a lot of stuff having to do with thrifting and painting and chalk painting and upcycling thrifted stuff and a little bit of other things sprinkled in. But I was so excited when this company told me about their t-shirts that I just had to bring them to you. I'm leaving a coupon code in the description box for anyone who's interested in purchasing a t-shirt from threadtank. You will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. The shirts are just absolutely great. Thank you so much, threadtank, for reaching out to me. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, guys, come back and check out the channel because there'll be more videos about life on Greenwood. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.